So many students come to us and they're confused about the term swing plane. And that's one of the things that we're trying to teach you with the Slinger is what is the correct swing plane. Okay, it's a very confusing term. The swing plane, just to clear up all the misconceptions, is the line established by the golf club at address. And what I mean by that is when I set up to a golf ball on my target line, the club shaft is coming out of the head on a certain angle. So what I've done is I've put a stick to represent that angle. That now becomes my plane that I want to swing the golf club on. So in terms of plane, there's three options. When I swing the golf club back, I can swing it directly up the plane line. I could swing it beneath the plane line, which would be under it, or I could swing it above the plane line. At halfway back, or 3/4 back, my club is on plane when the shaft is parallel to the original plane line. This would be under the plane or too flat, and this would be much too steep for the original plane line. At the top of my backswing, the club is on plane when it's parallel to my target line. If it pointed way to the left of my target line, that would be what we call laid off. Or if it pointed way to the right of my target line, that would be what we call a cross. As I start back down on my downswing, again using the inside move, you'll notice here my club shaft is parallel to the original plane line, shooting out towards that outside arm of the inside move. If I was faulty at this position, my club can drop one of two ways: too much under the plane line, or over the top or above the plane line. Impact, we want to come back as close to possible to our original plane angle. My hands got real high because of some other glitch or fault. That would be considered too steep. Or way down here for some reason would be considered way too low or way too flat. As I exit and follow through, the plane is on both sides, so the club is going to retrack or retrace that plane. Same checkpoints here, shaft parallel, too steep, too flipped over, flat, and then up into my finish. So the plane changes club to club. The shorter clubs are more upright. A driver is much longer, much flatter. But the plane is set up by the manufacturer. They've already built in the plane for you. We're showing you here how to swing on it. And again, plane works in threes. Always remember, the plane works in threes. You're either on it, below it, or above it. Whatever checkpoint we're dealing with, it's only one of those three: on, below, or above. The Slinger and inside move teach you to swing on a consistent plane over and over and over again.